Hello, let me show you how I make my kefir milk or kefir milk, whichever way you want to pronounce it, ni sawa tu. So we start up with my clean hands. I've washed my hands, alafu hii kefir imekuwa ikiferment for the last 24 hours and yeah, so I'm using a wooden spoon kamiko kangu. I will be stirring the kefir milk with it and a plastic spoon because we don't need to use metallic things, but kama ni sieve peke yake ndio iko metallic, that's fine, but if you have a plastic one that would be good also. So I'm going to start by stirring my kefir cause huwa iko thick after fermenting, huwa iko very thick na inaweza kusumbua kutoka kwa sieve. So I'm starting by stirring it a little bit, nifanye mpaka ikuwe smooth ndio iweze kupita vizuri kwa hiyo sieve yangu. So unaona venye iko thick, this is how it is, or even sometimes it's much thicker ukiacha ikikaa sana because it can go, you can let it ferment for even 36 hours or even more, but mine I like the taste after 24 hours, so that's what I do. So sahii tunaichanganya changanya kidogo, I'm stirring it mpaka when I feel like it's smooth enough to pass kwa sieve na isinisumbue. So this is how I'm doing it, and then I just pour it. It's very simple. Making kefir milk is very simple and also very fast. So as you can see, na pour through the sieve and then nipate my grains separate and then I use them again. So yeah, this is where I use my plastic spoon. Just nazisongesha songesha tu hivyo ndio maziwa ipite vizuri very fast, and yeah, so this is how we do it. There are many benefits when it comes to kefir milk. One of the benefits is ni poa sana for your digestive system. It helps in digestion. It helps if you have gastritis, you have stomach acidity, ulcers, constipation, bloating, all these things. Hii kefir milk inakusaidia. And also, it says that it boosts your immunity and it has good properties. It has good probiotics. Kama you take probiotic yogurts because of the probiotic properties, kefir milk is like 50 times better. It has more probiotic, more bacterial strength than yogurt. So these are the grains as you can see them. These are the grains ikibaki hivyo. Yeah, so this one nitaweka tu kando ndio I use them again. As you can see, those are the grains. That's how they look. So if you're interested in buying the grains, pia nauza grains ni 1000 per teaspoon, and that's enough to make 1 liter of milk. And grains huwa zina grow, so whenever you ferment your grains start growing. They are live cultures. They feed on the sugars in the milk and the fats in the milk, and also they digest your lactose in iko kwa milk. So if you are lactose intolerant, you can take it na isikusumbue. I'm saying that from experience because I'm lactose intolerant. I can't take ice cream, I can't take fresh milk, even some yogurt I can't take, but kefir milk I can take because hizo probiotics zimedigest all the lactose in it, so unaweza kunywa and usipate any kind of problems. So if you are lactose intolerant, here you have your daily calcium intake in kefir milk. And so this is my harvest for today, my kefir milk. So thank you for watching. This is how we make our kefir milk. It's very simple to make, it's very easy to make, and yeah, it's very fast. Thank you for watching. This is how we